Gusto lang pong batiin ang ating mabait na kaibigan dito sa YT World. Si Christy Alforte, happy, happy birthday. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. Na sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay iyong makamtan at sana lahat-lahat ng mga prayers mo will be granted by God. Stay healthy, yan ang pinaka-importante. Stay happy, patuloy lang po. Go, 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 go. Yan. Happy, happy birthday. Kakantahan po kita ng isang favorite song mo. Para sa'yo, Sis Christy. When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep wearing your wedding ring when I'm gone? And when I'm gone, will you take out all the photographs? Maybe spend a moment in that past when I'm gone. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms return to hold me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like love is new, and love is new. Just for a moment, be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. Happy birthday, heaven and I'm far away. The dreams will stay, and someday, after we both chase our fantasy, love will bring you back to me. Happy, happy birthday, Sis Christy. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. When I'm gone, I'll be thinking about you constantly, 'cause you're locked inside my memories from now on. And I know that we simply needed time apart, but your love keeps pulling in my heart, falling strong. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms have to hold me tight and heaven in my dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like love is new, and love is new. Just for a moment, be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you, never letting far away. The dreams will stay, and someday, after we both chase your fantasy, love will bring you back to me. Happy, happy birthday. Enjoy your big day. Stay pretty and happy. Sometimes I wanna run to you like love is new, and love is new. Just for a moment, be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you, and never letting far away. The dreams will stay, and someday, after we both chase our fantasy, I will bring you back to me. Sometimes I wanna run to you like love is new, and love is new. Just for a moment, be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. Thank you so much. sa time also chance na mag-greet po sa iyo. Again, happy birthday and may God bless you. Love you, Sisi Christy.
Mga katroops, sa araw na ito may babatiin tayo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Walang iba kundi si Sis Christy Alforte. Ayun, happy birthday sis. Thank you and God bless. Good health always and more power to your channel.
Hello, Miss Christy. I'm truly wish that you're blessed with joy and happiness in your birthday. God bless. Happy birthday.
Good morning, Mare! Nakalimutan ko yung aking greetings sa anyway, happy birthday! At sana mag-enjoy kayo, kayong pamilya bukas, mag-outing na naman kayo. Gusto ko sanang sumama, kaya lang marami akong mga gagawin pa eh. Sige, basta enjoy lang, Mare, ha? And I'm so lucky to have you as my kumare. Na very understanding at talagang malawak ang pangunawa sa buhay. Yun, tinagalog ko lang yung understanding. Okay, Mare, happy birthday and enjoy your birthday with your loved ones. Okay, bye.
Hello po, Christy. Ate Christy, happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday and good health lang po sa sipag mo sa working. Success po ng lumararating, Ate Christy. Thank you po, Ate Christy, and happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Christy. So, ayan. So, it's your special day today. So, I wanna greet you a happy birthday and wishing you good health always, happiness, and more blessings in life. Ayan, ingat po kayo palagi. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone! A blessed good day! Binabati po natin ng isang happy birthday, ang isang napaka-humble, napaka-talented, napaka-masipag, napaka-supportive na si Ate Christy. Happy birthday, Ate Christy! God bless you! Have a blessed good health! Sana'y ang iyong dreams, wishes, and ambitions in life ay inyo pong makamit at sa tulong po ng ating Panginoong Diyos na gumagabay sa atin. Happy birthday, Ate Christy. God bless you and wish you all the best. Family first and alagaan natin ang ating sarili. Huwag pababayaan. Isa po kayong isang napakagaling na content live streamer at vlogger. Thank you for sharing your wonderful adventures in YouTube. God bless you and good health. Have a good day. Happy birthday, Ate Christy.
Magandang buhay sa lahat ng mga viewers ni Ate Christy Alforte. Ako nga po pala si Bel Janay Channel ng YouTube at ng Facebook. Ako po ay bumabati ng isang maligayang karawan sa aking mabait, maganda, sexy, at matagal ko ng kaibigan na si Ate Christy Alforte. Wishing you all the best in life, Ate Christy, and especially good health. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. I love you and I miss you.